Good morning, everyone. I want to thank you all for watching my channel for the part 3 of the backyard railing build. Today, the only thing I'm going to be doing is just welding out the railing. I will be using the Lincoln 140. I'm using Lincoln wire. It's the whole 3/0 flux core wire. It's the best for outdoor work. The railing itself is 16 gauge and the pickets, but the posts are 090. And let's get to the video. Gaps will happen. It's nothing to worry about. I'm just gonna lay a bead on the bottom part, do one pass, maybe two passes depending. Right here you can see I'm pretty close to it, so it only took a couple passes. Don't let it scare you. I want to thank you for tuning in. I apologize for not enough video. Bear with me. This YouTubing is new to me, so it's a new adventure. I'm in the learning curve. Hopefully I get a little better, a little quicker. I do appreciate if you like, subscribe, hit that notification, and let's see how far we can take this YouTubing. I appreciate it. Till the next one. Bye.